Intentional teaching experiences are play-based instructional activities that have been intentionally designed to address one or more objectives essential for young children's development and learning. They are an important member of the family of daily resources included with the creative curriculum. They are often perfect for small group instruction and are suggested for that use in the daily plans of each teaching guide. But you can also use them with a larger group or with an individual child. Each of the intentional teaching experiences is both chock full of learning opportunities for children and packed with helpful information for you, the teacher, including a variety of suggestions for how you can easily individualize the experience to meet the needs of each child or group of children. Let's take a quick look. First, across the top, you'll see the name of the activity and an identification code that includes both letters and numbers. The letter in the identifier lets you know the area of development and the learning of the experience's primary objective. S, P for social emotional development, P for physical development, M for mathematics, and LL for language and literacy. The number, however, is just for helping with organization and is not meant to imply the order of implementation. Next, you'll notice the primary objective. Let's take a look at ITE LL07. Letters, letters, letters. We know by the LL in the identifier that the primary objective is related to language development and literacy learning. Here you will see specifically that this activity addresses Objective 16B, identifies letter-sound correspondences. You'll also see a variety of other related objectives that are addressed. In the section labeled What You Do, you'll find a list of any materials you'll need to gather to implement the activity, as well as the activity steps. In the blue column, on the right side, you'll find ideas for supporting multilingual learners, small adaptations for making sure the experience is accessible for all children, and questions that can guide your observations of children while they're engaged in this experience.